Ospina Bedoya. I am 24 years old.
Actually, I am a student environmental engineer in the National University Open and Distance Ciudad Ibagué, Tolima. My place of residence is located in Guananday, Tolima. My family is composed by my father, Reinaldo Espina, my mother, Dioselina Bedoya, my brother, Carlos, my brother, William, and my niece, Mariana Luciana, and Gabriela. This is my favorite pet. Their name is Jazz. It's very playful. My hobby is swimming the river, dance, and share with my friends. Thank you.